Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making a full system image and verifying backups. This protects you if something fails. Once done, record your Windows key and app credentials so reactivation is smooth. Next, check the new disk's capacity and whether it uses GPT or MBR. This matters for booting. Make sure the drive is healthy. Run a quick smart check and confirm connection type, since SATA versus NVMe affects cloning speed. Now connect the target drive and power the PC down to continue. You boot a cloning utility or Windows PE and start a block-level clone. This copies OS, bootloader, and partitions precisely, which is why we prefer image or sector cloning. While cloning, resize the C. Partition if the target is larger and preserve the reserved and recovery partitions. Once cloning finishes, shut down and swap cables or set the new disk as primary. Then enter UEFI to add or prioritize the disk as the Windows boot device. Because correct boot entries make Windows start reliable. You power on and expect Windows to boot from the new disk. If it does, run disk cleanup and trim, then reactivate Windows and applications to confirm licenses. If it fails to boot, boot Windows Recovery and use Disk Part plus Bootrec to repair BCD. This rebuilds the boot configuration. Once stable, optionally wipe the old drive for storage. If problems persist, check BIOS settings like SATA/NVMe mode, secure boot, and partition alignment, because those are common causes of boot or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.